Someone who has experienced the profound impact of heart disease, I cannot stress enough how crucial it is to maintain heart health. The debilitating and life-altering effects of heart conditions are not to be underestimated, and that's why the Healthy Heart Solution Kit, crafted by a renowned medical and nutrition advisor, has become an indispensable resource in my quest for a heart-healthy life. The heart, a delicate and vital organ, deserves our utmost care to avoid the grim specter of heart attacks and related health problems. Those of us who have grappled with heart disease know the restrictions it can impose on our diet, activities, and lifestyle. It can be a real challenge. This is where the Healthy Heart Solution Kit enters the picture, offering a lifeline to regain control over our health and live life to the fullest. One of the standout features of this comprehensive guide is its ability to help you discover the root causes of your heart conditions. For those who have been battling heart issues, understanding the origins of their troubles is a critical first step towards recovery and prevention. This knowledge is empowering, and it equips you to make informed decisions about your heart health. Moreover, the Healthy Heart Solution Kit doesn't stop at diagnosis. It provides you with a toolbox of techniques and tricks that can significantly improve your heart health. From dietary advice to exercise routines, this program offers a diverse array of strategies tailored to your specific needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather a customizable plan that adapts to your unique circumstances. The nutrition and exercise plans included in the kit are a game changer. These well-researched, expert-approved plans can transform your relationship with food and exercise, ultimately steering you towards a healthier heart. They are not just generic tips, but personalized strategies that consider your individual health status, ensuring that you're on the right track to recovery and prevention. In conclusion, the Healthy Heart Solution Kit is a treasure trove of information and guidance that has the potential to save lives. It empowers individuals with heart conditions to take charge of their health, offering insights into the causes of their issues and a tailored roadmap for recovery and prevention. With its holistic approach to nutrition and exercise, it's not just a solution, it's a lifeline for anyone looking to improve their heart health. I highly recommend it to anyone concerned about heart disease, as it may just be the key to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. When considering purchasing this product, it's paramount to ensure your safety and the efficacy of the product. Counterfeit and substandard imitations are prevalent in the market, and they not only waste your hard-earned money but can also jeopardize your health. To avoid falling victim to these risks, it's highly recommended to buy product directly from the official website. The official website provides a guarantee of authenticity, quality, and the most up-to-date formulation. By clicking the link in the video description below, you can rest assured that you are making a safe and legitimate purchase, protecting both your wallet and your well-being. Don't compromise when it comes to your health. Choose the official source for peace of mind and optimal results.